Secure, code-based home entry. Accessory for the August Smart Lock. Create unique codes instantly from your smartphone anytime. Mounts outside and works with any August Smart Lock. Perfect for guests and your kids, no smartphone needed. Requires iOS 9.0 or higher, or Android 5.0 or higher smartphones. House cleaners, dog walkers, and other service providers can securely come and go using a temporary pin. Locks door with the simple push of a button.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share.